welcome back to my channel Char Chakra. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss in brief about what donations you should do, what is the right time to do the donations. There is a lot of myth among us that I have a good Jupiter planet, so I can't feed cows bananas, or I should not donate things related to the Jupiter. So in this video, I'm going to discuss in brief that at what time, to whom, and what should we donate to enhance our luck and to improve our life. So if you have subscribed my channel, then thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us. So first start with the first planet, that is the sun planet. First, you need to understand that what is sun planet all about. What is the sign of the good sun planet? What is the sign of the bad sun planet? So whenever your sun dasha, mahadasha or antadasha will start, you will be started getting the positive or the negative effect of the sun planet in your life. So what is the sign of the good sun planet? If the person is getting name, fame and success in the society, that means the person have a good sun planet. If the person aura is very positive, mindset is very positive, and the person has clarity of mind, they have decided what they want to become in their life, their goals and vision are clear in their life, this is a sign that the person have a good sun planet. What is the sign of the bad sun planet? Signs of the bad sun planet is that person will not have a good health, person will not be the person with a positive mindset, aura will not be positive, people will not like them around, and they will start getting the defame in the society. And if the person have a bad sun planet, then the person will not get the appreciation of the hard work and will not having a good relationship with their father, with their bosses, with the government authorities. And now when the Mahadasha or the Antadasha of the sun planet will start, you will be started getting the bad or the good result. So don't go with someone says that your sun planet is good, don't donate anything related to the sun. So try to connect to your own life. Are you getting the appreciation of your work? Are you getting name, fame in the society, or you are getting defame in the society? You don't have a good relationship with a manager, or you have a good relationship with a manager. You by your own can see you have a good sun planet or you have a bad sun planet. So from these signs you can check. If you are not getting the appreciation of your work, then you have to donate the products related to the sun planet. If you are getting the appreciation of the work, you are having a good relationship with your father, you are having a good relationship with the manager, you get the appreciation of your work, then you need not to donate anything related to the sun planet. When you get these results, you have to just check your Mahadasha and Antadasha. So whenever the Mahadasha and the Antadasha of any planet will start, you will be started getting the result of that Mahadasha and Antadasha. Sun planet donations are that you should donate jaggery, copper utensils, atta, wheat or anything red color clothes to the needy. And the day is Sunday, try to donate it to the person, old age person, someone whose age is connected to your father, 60 years, 65 years. So whenever you are donating the sun related, sun planet related things, so try to donate to an old age person. Right day to donate is a Sunday, and the best time to donate is in the morning time. Because sun during the morning time, if you don't do the donation of the sun, it will be going to give you the improvement in the sun planet, and you will be started getting the appreciation in your work, and you will be started getting good results from the sun planet. So the second planet is the moon planet. What is the sign of the good moon planet and what is the sign of the bad moon planet? If you have a good moon planet, then you will be mentally very strong. If you have a good moon planet, you will be having a very good relationship with your mother or with the women around you. Good moon planet, you will be always having a very good relationship everyone around. That is a sign that you have a good moon planet. Sign of a bad moon planet, mentally you will not be okay. You will be going to see a lot of fluctuations in your mindset, ups and downs in your mindset. You will be moody, emotional, and your relationship with the mother will not be good. Not only with the relationship with the mother, with the other people around, other girls and the women around you. This is a sign of a bad moon planet. Now whenever the moon Mahadasha or Antadasha will be going to start, you will be started getting more this results. So if you see that your relationship with the women is getting damaged, or with your mother is not good, you are getting emotional related problem, mental health, you are suffering with a mental health related problem, start donating for the moon planet. What is the donations related to the moon planet? Milk, sugar, rice. Next is the Mangal planet. That is called the Mars planet. Sign of the good Mars planet, you have a very good friends. Your friends are always supportive to you. You are able to make your own property. You know how to balance things in your life. Easily you get happiness in your life, and health wise you are very good. You don't face any type of health related problem. What is the sign of the bad Mangal planet? You will never ever get the support of your friends. You will not get the support of your relative. Anger, aggression, fights with your partner, fights with someone. You take impulsive decision, short tempered, and you face lot of health related problem. Majorly health related problem like headache, migraine, accidents, minor accidents, major accidents, blood related issues also come under the Mangal planet. So now whenever your Mangal Mahadasha or Mangal Antardasha will start, your Mangal planet will be activated. Now you have to check what type of results you are getting. Are you getting the positive signs of the Mangal planet or the negative? If your health is not good, you are getting blood related problem, you have a headache related problem, you have a migraine related problem, start donating for the Mangal planet. And if you are getting the good signs, friends are supportive to you, you are getting happiness in your life, then no need to do the donation related to the Mangal planet. The best donations related to the Mangal planet, if you donate sweets to the needy. Sweets like you can donate jalebi to the needy. You donate masoor ki dal, red masoor ki dal to the needy. Red clothes to the needy. This will be going to help you out to improve your Mangal planet. So whenever you are seeing that the result of the Mangal planet is not positive in your life, start donating related to the Mangal planet. So when you do donations related to the planet will start giving you the positive results, and it will help you out to rectify the bad or the malefic effect of the planet. The next is a Mercury planet. Mercury, which is a very important planet. Mercury planet is connected to your logical mind. The sign of a good Mercury planet, person will be very good by mind, good by a logical mind. The person will be good in selling and negotiation, also good in maths. The person is the skin texture is very good. This is a sign of a good Mercury planet. What is a bad Mercury planet? If the skin is not good, you are taking wrong decisions and afterward you are regretting. You take decisions, you take very fast decisions and afterward you regret in your life. And if you are facing problem related to the skin related problem, neuro related problem, health related problem, these are all coming from the Mercury planet. So whenever you are going through the Mercury ki Mahadasha or Mercury ki Antardasha and you are seeing the negative or the positive, you have to see, you have to consciously see, are you getting the positive side of the Mercury planet or the negative side? If you are getting the positive side, then no need to donate it. If you are getting the negative side of the Mercury planet, then start donating it. What is the donations related to the Mercury planet? Start donating or feeding green vegetables to the cows. Donate green vegetables to the needy. Try to donate stationery to small girls, and the best is if you donate green color clothes. So these are all the donations related to the Mercury planet, and the donation related to the Mercury planet has to be done on Wednesday. The next planet is a Jupiter planet, which is the most important planet in the astrology. Jupiter is a planet of the expansion. Jupiter is a planet of the luck, overall expansion, like expansion of the family, conceiving the child, expansion, getting married to the right person, financial expansion, everything comes under the Jupiter planet. What are the signs of the good and the bad Jupiter planet? If you have a good Jupiter planet, then you will be healthy. Your luck will be very good. You will be going to get a support, means a husband. The husband will be financially blessed. You will be respecting adults. You will be having a good relationship with your gurus, with your teachers, with the adult. That means that you have a good Jupiter planet. You are financially blessed. You don't face problem in getting married. You have a good child. These are all the signs of the good Jupiter planet. What is the sign of the bad Jupiter planet? Your relationship with your child will not be good. You will be going to face problem luck-wise, expansion of the body, health-related problems, especially the weight gain. That means you don't have a good Jupiter planet. Person will be going to face problem in getting the expansion. Any type of expansion, it can be the family expansion like conceiving a child, getting married, or if you are into a business and you want to grow your business, but you are getting the challenges and the setback in growing the business, that means you have a bad Jupiter planet. You don't respect your gurus, you don't respect your teachers, that also means that you have a bad Jupiter planet. Jupiter ki Mahadasha or Antardasha will start. You will be started getting the good or the bad results from the Jupiter planet. If you're getting the good results from the Jupiter planet, then you need not to donate related to the Jupiter. But if you're getting the bad results from the Jupiter planet, then you started donating related to the Jupiter. What are the things that you have to donate related to the Jupiter? You have to donate bananas, chane ki dal, yellow chane ki dal, and the best is if you feed bananas to the cows. This will be going to help you a lot to enhance your Jupiter planet. It will help you to enhance overall your luck. Donate yellow color clothes to the needy and donate kesar to the needy. Or you can donate the kesar to any nearby temple also. This will help you out to enhance your Jupiter planet. And the best is if you donate old age needy, if you donate Jupiter related thing, this will be going to help you out to enhance the luck. Now the next planet, which is the Venus planet. Venus, which is a planet of the attraction, which is a planet of the beauty, which is a planet of the luxurious life, which is a planet of the good love life. So what is the sign of the good Venus planet? The sign of the good Venus planet, your partner will be very supportive to you, very loving, caring. Attraction, people will be very much attracted towards you. You will become the center of attraction wherever you go. You have a luxurious life, love wise, finances wise. You will never be single. You will be able to attract the partner very easily. This is a sign of a good Venus planet. What is the sign of the bad Venus planet? Breakup, not having good love life. There is no attraction on the skin or attraction is missing in the person. That means the Venus planet is not good. Zero self-love. You're not getting the support and the love from your partner. You always crave about that support and love from the partner, but you're not getting that support and love from your partner. These are the signs of the weak Venus planet. Now you understand when the Venus ki Mahadasha or Antardasha will start. You will be started getting the positive and the negative results of the Venus planet. If you have a positive Venus planet, need not to donate anything related to the Venus planet. If you have a negative Venus planet, then start donating cosmetics, perfumes, sugar or white color clothes to the needy. And the best is if you donate it to unmarried girl. This will be going to help you out to enhance your Venus planet. The next is Saturn. Saturn, which is a planet of karma. Saturn, which is a planet of money. Saturn, which is a planet of the good health also. So now, what is the sign of the good and the bad Saturn planet? If the person have a good Saturn planet, money-wise, person will be blessed. Person will be started getting easy money in the life. Good Saturn planet means the good health. And overall, person need not to do a lot of hard work to get the success. This is a sign of a good Saturn planet. What is the sign of the bad Saturn planet? Person will be started getting the challenges and the setbacks in every work the person do. Person will be negotiating in everything what the person does. Like if you negotiate with every person, can you please give me discount? So everywhere where there is a negotiation, that comes from the bad Shani. Because if the person will have a good Shani, the person will never ever negotiate in their life. If the person negotiate wherever the person goes and they always negotiate, that is a sign of the bad Shani planet. You don't have a good relationship with your servants, you harm your servants, you don't pay your servants on time, or you always ask for the discount, that is a sign of the bad Shani planet. So whenever the Shani ki Mahadasha or Antardasha will be going to start, you will be started seeing these results. If money wise you are getting more money during this time, or you are struggling for the money, you are facing the problem in getting job, or your salary is not increasing, you are not able to change the job. This is all the sign of the bad Saturn planet. So you have to donate the things related to the Shani planet. If you are getting enough money, you don't have a habit of negotiating with someone, that means that you have a good Shani planet, you need not to donate. There is a Ketu planet. Whenever the person will not have a good Ketu planet, sign of a bad Ketu planet, you will not able to enjoy your hard earned money. Your life will be very boring. You will be feeling isolated, away from the social networking. You want to sit alone, don't want to talk, you don't like spend time with your friends and the relatives. And you're not able to enjoy your own money, you can't travel, your wishes are not fulfilled. That means you have a bad Ketu planet. If you have a good Ketu planet, your life will be very luxurious. You will be able to enjoy your own hard earned money and your life will be very easy. You will be very much connected to the universe also. This is a sign of a good Ketu planet. What all you should do to enhance your Ketu planet? You should donate medicines in any hospital or to the needy on every Tuesday. This will be going to help you out. to improve your Ketu planet. So if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you still have any questions related to the donations, then you can share me on the comment. I will be going to help you out. Is it a right thing to donate or not? And always remember in the life, donation will never ever have a negative effect in your life. Because when you donate, you are getting the blessings from the people. And when you get the blessings, your life will always be easy when you have a lot of blessings from everyone around you.